Hi, my name is Mike Damico, and this is my 1982 Delorean DMC12. I found this particular car in Louisville. Actually, I seen it on eBay. The car was actually in great condition because it was never cooked in the sun. It was always garaged. So all the interior pieces, all the exterior, the moldings, everything are perfect. So the engine is it's a 2.85 V6 Peugeot Renault Volvo or PRV V6 engine. At the flywheel, it's about 133 horsepower. This particular car had a stage 2 engine upgrade, which brought the horsepower up around 200. As far as the interior on this particular car, it's original except for the seat covers. Besides that, everything else is original.